So guys, this is a big one for embedded systems developers, for anyone in the electronics market. You do in chip design, you do any type of stuff related to ARM devices. ARM, the legendary chip designer, just announced retirement of the iconic Cortex brand, right? After 20 years. So moving forward, ARM will launch new product names. There'll be Neoverse for infrastructure, Neva for PCs, Lumex for mobile, Xena for automotive, and Orbis for IoT. Now, this rebranding is part of a bigger shift. ARM is moving to custom chips and platform solutions. But there's risk, right? Customers might get confused, and the new names lack the brand power of Cortex. This is in the wake of ARM facing growing risk from China. 17% of its business and almost half of its royalties come from ARM China. And with the US and UK export controls tightening, ARM's future in key markets might look like certain. Meanwhile, RISC-V, the open source ISA, is gaining momentum. Giants like Qualcomm, ST Microelectronics, and NXP are backing a new RISC-V joint venture aimed at automotive innovation. With no license fees and no geopolitical baggage, RISC-V is becoming the strategic alternative. Is ARM rebranding opening the door for RISC-V to rise? The future of chip design might just be more open than ever. What do you think? Comment below and subscribe for more tech insights.